Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasata maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, ekabaru ka i subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe Biafra Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasata maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. All right, over to you.
You know, what we resolve, where you're going to, you know, to make the
Famdi, go ahead and unmute yourself, please. I have to mute everyone. There was a nice noise. But unmute yourself. Yeah, sorry. There was just a background noise. Yeah, but we heard you. Yeah, go ahead.
You heard everything I said?
Yeah, we heard it, yes.
Okay. So we will have a meeting and then to inform the state secretaries and then the financial secretaries on, you know, our resolve and how the process of really, you know, spending the money. All right, so that's not what you're going to do here, but we are going to commence our fundraising from this moment. And then the media, over to you, or would you want me to go through the people raising their hands, or would you like to assist us? The media?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Famdi,
I appreciate you. Thank you very much.
Honorable Famdi, let me quickly tell Biafrans one more thing before we kick off the fundraising.
Okay.
Some of you may have been aware of the criminals that are parading themselves as members or representing the United States of Biafra. One thing I want to tell us is this. It is one thing not to know. It is one thing to be ignorant, to say, oh, I didn't know this was happening. I'm not sure. I was confused. I've not made up my mind. It is one thing to say you don't know. You've heard. You don't know. It is a different thing that you know, and then you continue to sabotage this government led by His Excellency Prime Minister Simon Ekpa and our leader Nnamdi Kanu. These are two different things that you don't know. Maybe let's pretend you are an 8-year-old child. You don't know. And that you know you are a full-blown adult. You are fully aware. But you decided, you made up your mind to go with these criminals that parade themselves as briggy individuals. You made up your mind, fully being aware that they do not have the power and the right to be doing what they are doing.
Madam, shut up. You hate Mazen and the Kano.
But because you want to follow with them, you want to go with them, you want to join them in their criminality, you go behind. When they call you on the phone, you pick up your phone. After they talk to you, they add you on their platform. I've told every Biafran, If you are in any platform where you have individuals like Sonia Parawa, if you are in those platforms, you are working against this government. And you will have yourself to blame one way or the other. I promise you that. So these individuals, they do not work for the United States of Biafra government. They are not in the cabinet. They are not in the leadership. None of them is the secretary of any state. None of them have any secretary position in the new system. So if they deceive you or you follow them to be part of their criminality, you will pay that price. They do not represent the government. They do not represent the United States of Biafra. Everything they are doing is fraudulent. They hijacked the things they could hijack, but not anymore. We've checked them. We've checked them seriously, and they are losing by the day. We made Nigerian government to lose, talk less of riffraffs. Their case is Akamo case. You just put water there, it will become thick. So again, this is just a warning I'm giving those that think they don't know, or they are confused, or they had lies, or they don't know where to go. You have yourself to blame. And those of you that think you can eat your cake and have it, you have one of your leg with the criminals, and you think you will have the other leg with the United States of Biafra. I'm telling you, you will have yourself to blame. It don't work that way. Our God said it. J.E.J. Dioku Mobugi Joyi Dika Jehovah Puru Obugotua Nga Gopogi Nonu Nyabu Chawebi Siwur Rapu Kiwe Chearia no Lugi Asini Megotua Agama Gopogi Kangono. If you don't do one thing or the other, J.J. Bwako or Ijoyi, either you are hot or you are cold. You cannot be both ways. That was the first song that I just sang right now.
You have beautiful voice.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. So it is either or. You cannot serve Obatobie and serve any criminal. You can't do that. That means you never ever followed Obatobie. You never ever followed our leader Nnamdi Kanu. So I'm just letting you know, those of you that think you're smart, our IT department, they're combing every single WhatsApp and Telegram platform for Biafrans. Whether the one opened by Obatobie, whether the one opened by myself, whether the one opened by the criminals, our IT department, they're combing all the telegrams, and all the names are being submitted accordingly. So if you think you are smart, if you think you can have your ways or you can have it both ways, I just pity you, because you're going to do yourself a very big harm by doing that. Any Telegram, any WhatsApp platform where you see these criminal individuals, remove yourself from there. Ask questions, send messages to any of the secretaries, send message to me. Where is the right platform for my state? Where is the right platform for my group? Where is the right platform for my county? And United States of Biafra is structured to the grassroots. You'll be directed to the appropriate platform. That's all I have to say. Thank you so much, everyone.
Wow, 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 wow. Thank you, Her Excellency. Nothing else to be said. You have said it all.
Yes, sir.
And on that note, I hand it over to the media. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Famdi. Thank you, Biafrans. We are welcome once again. I never knew we have I think the Funani man said is Deborah Nkechi. A beautiful voice.
Hey, yo.
An angelic voice. God bless us so much. We have Prime Minister. He can dance, he can sing, he can give you languages that you never expected. And
Yes.
today, we have Deputy Prime Minister that can sing. Hey, this one, they go.
Attack, Adi. Oh, no, kwa.
Anyway.
I didn't know my voice was good. Honorable God, let me tell Biafrans, please. Today, what we are doing here is fundraising. I want everyone here to know we are here for fundraising. Yes, we can talk and then we can update you, but we have like 7 pages of Zoom right here. And I'm trying to scroll from page 1 to 7. We have 7 pages, almost 160 people. Please, I want you to know we are not here just to talk. We are here to raise money. The more money we raise, the more successful we are going to be in defending and protecting our land. So if you are here today, please make sure you chip in something, whether your money is going to go in diaspora, whether your money is going to go in homeland. It is a civic responsibility that you donate. It is very, very important that your name counts, your name goes to the book. Please donate. Thank you so much. We'll go ahead.
Thank you, our Deputy Prime Minister. Well, DPM, you said they are not ministers, our secretary to anything. I will tell you that they are. They are minister for criminality, secretaries for stealing, duping, lying, secretaries to amajuris. And we will always do the needful. I am seeing Ezamunobi. If you come here, quickly make your donation so that every 1 minute, everybody, just 60 seconds. Ezamunobi, you have the mic.
Ndị Biafra ekele m anyị nchara ile Chief of Staff ikwuru ọfụma. Good evening, sirs. Good evening, ma. Everybody, ana m ekele. Latụfugo oge. Biafra is our home. Biafra is our religion. Nke mụnwa bụ Ezamunobi bụ the chief admin. Through Mazi Ebenezer, I donate 100,000 eje.
Wow.
Last Saturday, HF mentioned onye donated 100,000. Okunyaka kele nwada Tina Ijere nwanyị. She's one of my admin. Ya bụ onye kpọpụtara is ka ibudole eme donation. So tomorrow he wanted the 100,000 eje. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Biafra is our home and our religion, led by Ezamunobi Ndewo. Okay, I see Mazi Jido from the Netherlands. You're welcome.
Yeah, good evening.
Our military need to talk Talo Uroko.
Yeah, that's true. Good evening, dear friends. This is Netherlands Rep. Good evening, my Deputy Prime Minister. Good evening, my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Onyendu. Good evening, my Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa. Good evening, all the cabinet members. I salute everyone. I am here, let's do it quick, to present the amount of money Netherlands has managed to contribute this week. And I will start by calling their names. Mazi Victor gave us 20 ejema. Mazi Boniface. Mazi Boniface Okoro gave us 55 ejema. Mazi Tarango, 25 ejema. And me, myself, Honorable Jidofo Machie, gave you 100 ejema.
Wow.
Honorable Dr. Steve gave 100 ejema, totaling 300 ejema for this week.
Wow.
Thank you, Biafrans. We are moving ahead. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Netherlands. Thank you.
Thank you, Netherlands. Thank you.
Thank you, Netherlands. Thank you so much. Okay, Sunrich, unmute yourself. Yeah, we can hear you, Sunrich.
All right. Good evening, everyone from Liberia. I hope I'm coming out louder.
Yes.
Very well.
All right. Without wasting our much time, I want to tip one thing. My honorable CEOs, we are one of the people that are
Connection is bad.
for you not to go for the Dr. Damages program because we have had it badly in the past. All the people that our leaders that we have interviewed, so we didn't find it very nice. So we are one of those people that are campaigning for you not to answer that invitation. So let's move for the fundraising by calling the names of those that donated. So here in Monrovia, Liberia, we have Samuel Nkafo, $100, Ejema, $US, Chimawala, $100, Ejema, Owe Sunrich, $50, Ejema, Osta Demon Nobo, $20, Ejema, Onyema Wonye, $20, Ejema, Aleke J, Aleke, $10, Ejema, Arawuso Kechuku, $10, Ejema. Now we have another county in Liberia, in Maryland. The people in Maryland, Christian Ezala, $30 Ejema, Chide Rajul, $30 Ejema, Hillary Emerson, $40 Ejema, Ejike Chinwuba, $10 Ejema, Rosemary Emerson, $10 Ejema, Desmond Chinwendo, $10 Ejema, Ifeanyi Chukwulobi, $5 Ejema, Chidike Ibe, $5 Ejema, Chuks Ibe, $5 Ejema, Samuel Udeze, $5 Ejema, Edwin Oka Ebu, $5 Ejema, Ikechukwu Innocent, $5 Ejema. In all, we have $470 US Ejema. So this is from Liberia.
Wow, wow.
Liberia.
Thank you, Liberia. Wow, that's awesome. Thank you very much, Liberia.
Send it right away to our African rep by next week.
What's the name of your African rep? Which one?
Oh, wow. The new African rep.
Awesome.
Yeah, the new African rep.
Thank you.
Wow. Okay, Famdish, he says they're going to send it to him or what? You have that information?
Okay. Let him call the African rep. Festus Ikechukwu. He will give him the direction.
Nwadalụ nne from Igbo Media bụ ebe anyị si were wetara ya bụ ozi dị oke mkpa gbasara maka ihe na-eme na Nigeria and ihe na-eme n'ebe dị iche iche na Eastern Region and unu na oke osi ada na Finland and Biafran Prime Minister ka esi jide ya the update and ya bụ Biafran declaration nke eme na Finland so ihe na-aka ya anyị na-ewetara n'iru akwụkwọ ka ife were ikwu gbasara maka ya bụ ihe Chief of Staff kwugasị n'iru akwụkwọ ya na ebe ọtọgasị aka and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra so ya bụ ife ka anyị si ka anyị tinyere unu kono gwa ifu nche